the foundation day of Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, a day that reminds us of our rich legacy, our achievements, and the strong values we stand for. Before we begin, I would like to share something close to our hearts. In our Vidyalaya, we have a unique and joyful best practice, My School, My KVS, a journey of caring pride and purpose. These small episodes were conceptualized by our respected principal sir to help us learn, communicate, and grow with confidence during the morning assembly. And today we present a special extended episode as a tribute to KVS and his glorious journey.
So Davish, shall we begin?
Of course, friends, imagine the early years of independent India. Central government employees, especially defense and paramilitary personnel, were transferred from one state to another every year. Their children had to change schools again and again. Learning suffered and dreams shattered.
And a solution to this, in year 1962 to 63, the Second Central Pay Commission recommended a new system of schooling.
That's how, on 15 December 1963, the seeds of KVS were planted with 20 regimental schools taken over from Army, Navy and Air Force.
And 2 years later, 15 December 1965, KVS was officially registered society under the Society Registration Act 21 of 1860.
That is why today, 15 December, we celebrate this day as KVS Foundation Day.
Chitranj, KVS has changed its logo 3 times. Could you tell us why?
Yes, our logos tell the story of our growth. Our first logo, from 1963 to 2008, a simple rising sun, symbol of hope and knowledge. Our second logo, from 2008 till 2013, the rising sun with an open book, symbol of expansion and enlightenment. And our third logo, from 2013 till date, launched during the Golden Jubilee, it includes the rising sun, open book, flying birds, tricolor, and a Sanskrit motto, Tattvam Pushan Apavino, meaning, O Lord, remove the veil so that the truth may be seen.
Now, Rajanya, from this 20 school in 1963, how does KVS form into such a huge family?
With vision and a strong belief that every child in India deserves to have quality education. So let's look at some important milestones in this inspiring journey. The first Kendriya Vidyalaya was established in 1964 in Patong, Kerala. This marked the beginning of a network of schools. 1972, KVS crossed 100 schools. 1986, KVS reached 500 schools. 2003, a proud movement with 1000 KV was inaugurated at Anantnag, Jammu and Kashmir. 2013, the Golden Jubilee year and the launch of our new and beautiful KVS logo. 2023, the Diamond Jubilee year. 2022 to 2025, the PMC schemes. And today, December 2025, there are overall 1,288 Kendriya Vidyalayas with 25 regions across India, 3 schools abroad, Moscow, Kathmandu and Tehran. Around 30.60 lakh students and around 15,000 dedicated teachers.
To begin with, Riya, KVS is such a huge family. How does everything run so smoothly?
That's the beauty of KVS Village. Kendriya Vidyalaya has a strong and well-connected organizational structure. The Sangathan has 3-tier management structure, which includes its headquarters in New Delhi, regional offices, and Kendriya Vidyalayas spread all over the country and abroad, each having its own Vidyalaya management committee. So, let me explain it step by step. At the top, we have our KVS headquarters in New Delhi. Here, the entire system is guided by our chairman, Honorable Education Minister Shri Dharmendra Pradhan, and Honorable Commissioner Shri Vikas Gupta, IAS, who leads all the administrative and academic work. They are also supported by 2 additional commissioners, 4 deputy commissioners, and 5 joint commissioners. Along Mankhurd comes under KVS Mumbai region, and the deputy commissioner of our region is Honorable Shri Binod Kumar Behra. He guides and supports all the KVS in the Mumbai region.
And at the school level?
At the school level, a principal heads the school and the Vidyalaya Management Committee, that is VMC, helps to manage, monitor and support all the important activities. In our PMC KV Mankur, the chairman VMC is Honorable Shri Anshul Kishore, Commanding Officer INS Tanaji. The VMC includes parents, teachers, local members and staff.
What do they do?
So, there are 5 ZEEDs in India. They provide training, mentorship, workshops and professional development to all KVS teachers.
Other tinkering labs,
Inspire Awards, Jigyasa, National Children's Science Congress,
Youth Parliament,
NCC and Scouting Guides,
Common Minimum Program for Joyful Primary Learning,
and many more.
These programs don't just teach us, they transform us.
Very true, Viresh. So, our KVS journey is guided by the melodious KVS prayer, Asto Ma Sadgamaya, Tamso Ma Jyotirgamaya, which means lead us from untruth to truth, from darkness to light. And the beautiful KVS song, Bharat Ka Swarnim Gaurav, Kendriya Vidyalaya Layaka.
Now, Rajanya, what makes our schools shine?
A lot, such as it's a PMC